I'm Martin Wiesner. We design and manufacture modern parts for classic Porsches. Started with no longer available Porsche parts, NLA, where companies restoring Porsches needed some parts that no longer exist. And I stepped in and started manufacturing some of those missing parts. In the process, I ended up making little bits of automotive art, mostly for myself initially, because I think it's pretty. I was not the only one eventually who liked it, so it became a bit of a business, and now it is part of the product range. It all starts with a scan, so you have to have an example of the thing you want to make. So I import it into CAD, and then on the scan I design the bits that I want, the tiny little distributor, for instance, the fan, everything. Remove things that I don't want, everything behind the page, for instance, on the box frame. And then the long process starts of finding a way of printing it. You'll find little bits of detail in these models that you won't see in typical die-cast models or scaled models. So I can make something a few micron thick, such as the tiny little blade that goes on the temperature sensor that is visible on every engine and on a quarter scale on every one of the box frames. Yeah, some of the things I make are so small that if I don't put my glasses on, I can just not see them at all. Yeah, I've driven classic 911s all my life, and ever since the very first Nokia phone that I had, I found that phone chargers or any type of charger doesn't really fit well in a 911. In the cigarette lighter, it's just loose, and everyone accepts it. That's the way it is. So did I, for decades, I suppose. Every time you go around the roundabout, the thing falls out, or it loses contact, and you have to push it back in. And then recently, I just thought, but maybe it is something I could fix for myself. After a long road trip in my 996 Mark I, which had exactly the same problem, I just decided there must be something that I could do. I designed a USB adapter that fits the 911 the way you would expect, without any rattles. And I then thought, but I can just as well make a little cap for it that looks like the original cigarette lighter cap, as a little fun project for myself. I did that, and then everyone wanted one. Then I started doing more of the range, from earlier 911s to 964, 903, and it's been a hit. People are really interested in that upgrade, mostly because they have been frustrated for so long, and this is a solution to that. But also, it doesn't look flashy or out of place. If I can make it as good as anyone else, I'm not interested. I only make things that I can make better.